Founded in 1984, Renown Electric Motors and Repair Incorporated is dedicated to providing the highest quality repairs and service to your large and small rotating electrical machines. Our technicians have extensive experience in electric motor repair, remanufacturing, and preventative maintenance, be it on or off-site. As part of our preventive and predictive maintenance services, we offer dynamic balancing, infrared thermography, laser alignment, and vibration analysis. Our wide array of field services includes rewinding, sheave regrooving, turning, undercutting, on-site machining, and modernization surveying. We offer a motor management program that effectively reduces your inventory costs and better organizes your supply chain. AC and DC drives, cool blue inductive absorbers, guarding systems, hydraulic rope equalizers, monitoring solutions, motors and motor parts, pressure sensors, test meters. We comply with ISO 9001, CSA, ISN, Xeros, and Quorum standards. We serve a wide range of industries, including aggregate, hydroelectric, manufacturing, mining and milling, municipal and government, oil and gas drilling, water and wastewater, wind power. We are always optimizing our capabilities to exceed your expectations and provide cutting-edge repair and refurbishment services. Contact us today.